Hello, everybody. Homeowners, be careful. I had a client contact me that their homeowners insurance company contacted them and said they had come out to their house and did an outside inspection of their house and found a couple of things that they said need to be repaired. And if they're not repaired, then they could maybe possibly not renew their homeowners insurance policy. Now, I've never heard of this done before, but they did show me the letter, and they have a date that when these things have to be repaired. And I'll show you what they found. Again, they came out sight unseen, didn't contact the owner, just took the pictures and said, these repairs have to be done. Now, they're not major repairs. As you can see, this is some dry rot around the outside of the garage. And on the other side, there's some dry rot on the outside of the garage. Now, this is what the inspector called when he did his inspection, and they got the letter saying these should be repaired. Possibly, we may not be able to renew your policy if you don't get these repaired. I haven't heard of insurance companies doing this. Maybe it's standard practice now. I just don't know it. If your homeowner's insurance company has sent you a letter and it's happened to you, leave me something in the comments below. Because like I said, again, I have never heard of this, but it could be something that insurance companies are starting to do now. And it may be a common practice going forward with folks who are buying a home and need homeowners insurance. Okay, I'm here with Joe Mosley Construction. We're in Vacaville, California. Now, he's doing the repairs that were called out by the insurance company. So he's done the repairs, and like I say, the insurance company called this out. It had to be repaired, or it's a possibility they may not renew the homeowner's policy. So he's going to do the repairs, and then we'll take a look at it and when it gets all done. So here is the repair that was done on the garage. A little dry rot repair. Here's the one that was done on the other side. And we'll turn this into the homeowner's insurance company and see what. Well, that's it, folks. Once again, I've never heard of this, but just to be careful, if you do get a letter from your homeowner's insurance company, I would say don't throw it away, because it's possibly that they came out and did an inspection of your house and they want some repairs done before they can renew your homeowner's policy. You got any questions, give me a call on this. This is Tom Arnold, RE/MAX. Always here for you. I'll see you next time.